me. Yeah, this is that's what I heard coming into your reading. Greetings, I'm Norman. Welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into the reading. Energy is always fluid. I could be speaking of a masculine. It could be a feminine energy. Place it whatever way it needs to be placed. How does it feel? How does it feel? What is going on? What's going on with the TikTok collective? I said TikTok. Ooh. I meant to say the Divine Space Family, Friends, and Collective. What's going on in spiritual warfare, Lord? Fix it, Lord. Love spell. Somebody throwing them love spells that y'all. I do apologize. But yeah, what's going on with the Divine Family? Hmm. Spiritual warfare. Somebody started your spirit team is ready for war. They said, I don't care what type of spell you sent. It's a matter of hand is that you sent it. It shouldn't have been sent. Where's free will around? Yeah. That's what your spirit team is saying. They said, shoot, Spartans. That's what they said. They ready. They booted. They booted and ready and suited. What's going on with spiritual warfare? Clarify one card for spiritual warfare, please, for the Divine Family. Fury. Didn't I say that? Spartans. I'm trying to tell you, they ready for war. They ready for war. I don't know who this is up against. They were stubborn. They wanted to do whatever the heck they wanted to do. Number 77. I'm seeing selfish, arrogance. They thought they was bigger than the program or think they're bigger than the program. And your spirit team said absolutely not. Okay? This could be love spell, a sweetener, or some shit. All right, I'm definitely seeing your peoples are not. They that number 74. I'm seeing an energy of unpleasantness. Like, wait a minute, what is wrong with you? What's up? You get what I'm saying? Like, why would you even do that? We told you no, but they don't want to hear that. They want to hear that. Let's go ahead and clarify this fury. We want to clarify the fury. Your spirit team is not playing. What's going on with the divine family? Clarify this fury. Mm. What's happening with this fury? Mm. Two more, please, spirit. Gratitude. They definitely threw two. I can't argue with that. I can't argue with that at all. Okay. Okay. First card that came out is a thief, number 24. Spirit. They said absolutely not. Again, this is like stealing someone's free will and decision and choices that they want to make for themselves. That's why they're very angry. This is definitely a peek behind the veil because what's going to end up happening here, I'm seeing there is about to be some energy of confusion. There's some sort of illusion here or something like that. They tried to confuse you or cause some sort of illusion towards you. That's what I'm feeling here. With the way you feel is how the fuck you feel. There's nothing that you're going to send or do to my people, my baby. If they said no, it's fucking no. Don't try to throw no damn love spell. They said, God damn it, no. What is wrong with you? Let's go ahead and get into it. Let's go ahead and clarify this thief. Number 24, 65, and 58 could be significant. That's what I'm seeing here. This person possibly even stole your money before. They probably even stole some money from you before. Shoot, this person possibly robbed somebody before or something in real life. A thief. Sticky fingers. Klepto. You steal in the physical and then you try to steal in the spirit. Just a thief. Make you what? Spit on the ground they walk on. Clarify thief. Thief for the Divine Space Family, Friends, and Collective. Let me space these out. Clarify this thief energy. This could even be a relative, y'all. Mm, hope not. Because this ain't family here. Or it could be somebody you have a family with. One more for thief. Air sign could be significant. Someone that you possibly call a relative. Someone you could have been your friend or something like that. Clarify this thief is an air sign. Strong Aquarius. It could be Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. I'm definitely seeing an energy of some sort of stressful decision. Um, I'm seeing two of swords where there's an energy of having to make a choice. It's talking about making some sort of choice, making some sort of decision. Why her unapologetically? Someone making a choice or a decision unapologetically. But again, I'm seeing an energy of you guys coming out as the wounded warrior. There's an energy of resilience here, is what I'm showing here. You guys have a backbone. Not only did you have a backbone, your spirit team don't be playing that shit. They said absolutely not. They're gonna make sure they're gonna free you. They're gonna make sure you had you that no, absolutely not. That your energy is coming off as an innocent being with originality, adventure. All right, and spontaneity. I mean, I said spontaneity. Yeah, they're not gonna go for that. They're not going for that. Clarify the veil. Number 65. What is it that we need to know? What's going on? It seems like whoever this person is, you definitely learned some sort of lesson from whoever this person. You learned the lesson, and it's not meant for you to continue to move forward. And this person is trying to hold you back energetically, spiritually. Clarifying behind the veil. This is definitely an energy from the past. It's nostalgic energy, an ex, someone that known you since a child, or something like that, known you for a while, or something. This person could be childish. Clarifying this veil. Place it whatever way it needs to. It resonates. I'm definitely seeing an energy of, Temperance talks about being patient. Being patient. Ooh, you ain't got nothing to worry about. They said, don't worry about it. We got you, babe. Because motherfuckers got consequences that they're going to have to answer to. That's what I'm saying here. Absolutely the truth. They're gonna have to be truthful, honesty. They're gonna have to learn a lesson because of something that they did. This is the energy of cause and effect. Again, cause and effect. They said we can't let this go, babes. Sorry, Boogie, but we can't let this go. You didn't try to send some love spell to my peoples. Look, we got the most high out here, y'all. Clarifying the veil. It seemed like everybody, the angels are seeing, the most high to see. Everybody to see this. They said, hey, what the fuck? Have you lost your mind? Are you not good? Like, what is, you done lost it? What is wrong with you? That's what it's for. The veil. What's going on behind the veil? It's an air sign. I mean, I'm sorry, a water sign could be significant. Strong cancer. Strong cancer could be significant with this planet clouds or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. This person definitely is very immature, very childish. Is what I'm showing here. Mm. Emotional dependent youth. They might be younger than you or young acting. Mm. I'm seeing an energy of you guys listening to and trusting your intuition. Well, this person should have definitely listened to their intuition as well. You're protected. Look at this. They down. They throwing down. I'm trying to tell you. They said, nah, nah, not with this divine being. Absolutely not. Get back. Get back. That's what I'm saying. They're not playing. They done came up against the wrong one. Absolutely not. They will not have you in no situation. I feel like this person wanted to trap you. That's what that is. That love spell to trap you, to make you stuck or something like that, or restrict you in some form of fashion. They said absolutely not. Absolutely not. Let's go and clarify this confusion illusion. Your spirit team don't play. They said absolutely not. The most high was even there. They said, hold up, wait a minute, who this? Who this? Let's zoom in. Who that? Confusion and illusion. What's going on? Confusion and illusion. Clarify confusion and illusion. That's with the 6 of Wands out here. You guys having the advantage. There's energy. You guys moving forward. I'm seeing a crowd here. Yep. I'm seeing an energy of you having victory, success over this whole situation. This person in the end is going to fear. There's an energy of fear, anxiety, and stress that they're about to be feeling. There's an energy of feeling overwhelmed. I'm seeing most mental overload, mentally stressed, wanting some sort of relaxation, some sort of, I don't know. This person might end up in the hospital. This person is about to experience some sort of tower moment. That's what I'm seeing here with the tower card. Somebody could have fire in their chart. Aries could definitely be significant, but I'm definitely seeing some sort of unexpected changes here. Okay. I'm seeing some sort of disaster, cause some sort of confusion. All right. Some sort of upheaval is getting ready to happen, you guys. Somebody might go bankrupt. Some sort of natural disaster. That's what I'm seeing here. Oh, something being returned back. Oh, I'm seeing it losing momentum. I'm seeing an energy of sadness, pain, unrequited love that this person is about to experience. I'm seeing blocked. Blocked. That's what I'm seeing here. I'm seeing this person in some sort of regret, going to end up being in some sort of regret, is what I'm seeing here. You guys refusing this offer. This is a missed opportunity. Okay? This person is self-absorbed. I'm seeing disharmony, trust issues. I'm seeing that there's some sort of imbalance, some sort of conflict. Okay? Lack of accountability, a disunion, detachment. Whoever this person is, I'm seeing seduction, lies, strictness, a person that is disorganized. All right? Trying to impose their own values onto you. This is a person that's going to be experiencing a lot of negative changes. I'm saying bad luck, poverty, unemployment, hardship, adversity, feeling like the world is against them. They're going to, the same trap they set for you is a trap that they're going to they got themselves trapped in. All right. And it's coming in quickly. Look, we got the moon out here. Illusions, secrets, vague, deception, insecure. You're too strong. They told them no. That's what they meant. Somebody that decided they was going to choose, they're going to do something anyway. Is what I'm starting seeing here. Somebody going to try to start something. They're going to try to start something and it's going to fail. That's what I'm seeing here. I'm also seeing an energy of them feeling some type of way because they're going to be able to see new beginnings here for you guys. You physically starting something new. There's a new passion here. All right. I'm seeing you guys overcoming challenges. I'm seeing a new financial beginning here for you guys. New financial opportunities, new job, new business, security, stability. All right. I'm seeing an energy of abundance. Your manifestations coming in. All right. And this person trying to hold on as you in this energy of independent success, financial stability and security and profit and wealth and a closing of a cycle. Spirit gonna give it all to you. You about to be so far away from them. They can't even catch up to you. This person going to be able to get close to you. They're going to need money. And that's going to be something that they don't have. That spell work didn't work. It's not going to work. It's not going to bring y'all together. It's not going to make you soft on them or make none of that shit is going to work. Whoever this person is an energy of someone that like to hold on to people, places, and things and like to control and possess people. They're very stingy. And spirit is I'm seeing energy of you guys in this energy of Nine of Pentacles. Whoever you are, you're very independent. You're in this Nine of Pentacles, stable, secure, financially stable. That's what I'm seeing here. Abundant, thriving business. Your business is about to thrive. I'm seeing your status going up. Oh my goodness. I'm seeing so many changes here. And it's like they speed everything up because of this person sent that love spell. Your people are angry. They about to they busting down. That's what I'm seeing here. They busting down. Can't keep going back to what I used to know.